I am so excited about our third annual Unity in Our Community block party. It's just a beautiful thing to see everyone come together, community partners, township leaders and officials, churches from all over the main line, as well as friends and family. It's just a beautiful day, and we didn't get any rain, so I'm especially happy about that.
What we're doing is we're getting together and having a block party. It's our community meeting our community. It's nothing more than some hamburgers, hot dogs, a couple great vendors, some free ice cream for the kids, tours of the Radnor Fire Company truck, Radnor police vehicles, some moon bounces. But the real purpose is every probably 30 minutes, if you look at the agenda, we're showing off a little piece of our great and diverse communities and neighborhoods. You see everybody from one end of the township to the other here. We have support from our Board of Commissioners, the churches, the local community, Highland Homes. It's just a great day.
We got the Big Kahuna water slide, which is always a hit. The water slide's been a major hit. We have the big bounce house. Kids are jumping on. They've been jumping since we got here at noon. We have some a recording artist. My wife, Vanessa Howard, will be singing. We have Josh Kosh, a Christian comedian. We had the Little Divas dancing. We have DJ Howard spinning the wheels today. We have the police. We have a whole lot of folks here, a lot of great food, a lot of family, and we're just having a great time. We have Pico here. We have Orange Theory here. We have voter registration.
So as state representative, I really want to let people know that I'm a part of the community, that I'm somewhere that you can call to help. And so I want people to know me, to know where to find my office, to know what resources are available, and to think of me at the first time they need something to assist them. This is the first year I've been here. I actually found out about this community when I was campaigning, and I knocked on doors and I met folks. So it was after last year's block party, but they told me about it, and I said I want to be here next year no matter what happens.
Well, it's a community event. The fire company likes to get involved in as many community events as possible. We grab our volunteers from the community. We're always looking for volunteers as well. So we have our squad here, which is a combination pumper rescue truck, has some rescue tools on it. It is one of the pieces of 5 of the fire apparatus that we have inside the fire station.
Well, it was a vision. God said, bring people together, you know, that he may be glorified. So 3 years ago, when I became the senior pastor of St. John a.m.e. Church down the street on Highland Avenue, it came to me to do a block party to bring people together. We started the first one with 4 weeks of planning, and about 150 people showed up and blew our minds. We did the second year with a little bit more planning. About 200 to 220 came out. Then today, we're just in our third year. We're just excited to be out here again, fellowshipping with everyone and connecting with the entire community. And during this, you know, tumultuous times of people divided, we're trying to bring people together in the spirit of unity and love.
There's a committee that's now working together because it's grown, so we want to make sure that all the bases are covered and everybody gets represented. And by that, I mean kind of young to old. We want there to be fun things for the kids to do and seniors to be able to hear about what's going on in the community as well. And then we have several ministers here, our police chaplains team, they're walking around, everybody's talking and just sharing what's happening and really just saying hello. How are you? Chris Flanagan, good to meet you. And that's what's going on here. It's awesome. And a little bit of great hot dog, too.
This kind of builds on some of the other initiatives that we've done at Christchurch, one of which is a summer reading program with the Radnor Police. We partner with them, and in some of the local parks in the area on a designated day, the police come with us to read stories to the children. And then we provide the refreshments, and the police then bring one of their vehicles, and all the little kids can go and tour the vehicles, and it really builds relationships between the young kids and the police department, and helps them to really kind of understand each other. So we really appreciate it over time. Since we've been more involved in the community, our partnership with the Radnor Police.
Anytime we can get out and get our story told to any of the public members, they don't realize that the majority of us are volunteers. We have other jobs that we come from to go and take care of any emergencies. So it's important for us to get the message out there as well. So it's a twofold thing: get the message out there, but also be out in the community and get involved. I think it's a great event having all the community come together like this, and so far everybody seems to be having a lot of fun, and I'm sure it's a perfect day for it. So it can't get any better than this.
It's amazing. It's so great to see so many people come out. I can't wait to eat the food. You can already tell how good it smells. But it's good to see the police here, the elected representatives here, neighbors here, it really starts to show by example that we can build unity in our communities, and it's important in today's society that we focus on that.
Unity means one, coming together, putting down your phone, getting away from the computer, the hustle and bustle of life, but coming and talking to everybody. And I really mean, let's just say hello and hang out, see what we have to offer. We got cheerleaders, we had a Young Divas dance team, we had the police dog here. So there's just a little bit of everything. The churches are set up, Pico's here, so everybody's got a little something to give, information, and give a chance to have a dialogue, have a conversation with people. And that's really our goal.
Unity means togetherness. Unity means a oneness. Unity means love, and purpose and working together. And as a Radnor baby, Eighton Elementary, Radnor Middle, Radnor High graduate, I love this community. I'm born and bred in Garrett Hill, and I just thank God for the opportunity to serve this great community and township.